to detoxify your body first, and then we use our Optimum 600. The bird is coming to say hi. To make our celery juice that we drink about 250 milliliters for now each. Thanks to this book that Dorian is reading about celery juice. So interesting.
So why we drink lemon water and celery juice first thing in the morning? It's because lemon water just before celery juice is going to help cleansing the body. Why? Because if you have something in your stomach, it's going to stop the process. So the lemon water just before the celery juice is here as the first cleansing process. Is going to flush everything that you ate last night for dinner. What? Okay. And then the celery juice, because you help, you drink the lemon water before, it's going to help the celery juice to do all of his work. So I'm going to show you how we do it. So we discovered this morning routine in this book that I highly recommend from Anthony William in the series Medical Medium. So you're going to find here all the answers that you're looking for if you want to know why the celery juice is that powerful and how it can bring relief to your symptoms and chronic illness. And that's what helped me with my eczema a lot. So I'm really grateful to have this book and to have started this morning routine that I'm going to show you. So first we drink lemon water. We put some lemon into some water, we drink it, and we wait for 15 to 30 minutes. And then we chop the celery and we put it in our new juicer right there. So really exciting, we love it. And after 15 to 20 minutes after drinking the celery juice, we start our breakfast. That usually we eat some fruits. Either we can do a fruit salad or you can do a fruit smoothie. But so that's a cleansing. Cheers.